Hi everyone, myself Dikshit B. I'm currently studying Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, second sem, Department of ISC. Triple integration of EF of x comma y comma z dv, where E is the dimensional region of integration, f of x comma y comma z is the integrand, which is the function that we are integrated over. dv is the volume element, which is a three-dimensional differential. The volume element can be expressed in different coordinate systems such as Cartesian, cylindrical, or spherical coordinates. Center of gravity. Center of gravity of a three-dimensional object is the point at which entire mass of the object is evenly distributed. The center of gravity can be calculated using triple integrals, and the formula is integration of x rho dv, comma, integration of y rho dv, comma, integration of z rho dv, where rho is the density of the object and x comma y comma z are the coordinates of the center of gravity. Volume by triple integration. Triple integrals are a type of multiple integrals that can be used to calculate the volume of a three-dimensional region. The general formula of a triple integration is triple integration of EF into x comma y comma z dv, where E is the dimensional region of the integration. F of x comma y comma z is the integrand, which is function that we are integrated over. dv is the volume element, which is three-dimensional differential. The volume of element can be expressed in different coordinate systems such as Cartesian, cylindrical, and spherical coordinates. For example, in Cartesian coordinates, the element is dv equals to dx, dy, dz. To calculate the volume of three-dimensional region using triple integration, we need to choose coordinate system, define the three-dimensional region of integration, express the integrand in terms of the coordinate system, evaluate the triple integration greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to 1, comma 0 greater than or equal to y greater than or equal to 1, and 0 greater than or equal to z greater than or equal to 1. The integrand is simply 1 since we are integrating over the unit cube. The volume of the element is dx, dy, dz. Therefore, the triple integral of the volume of the unit cube is triple integration of 1 dx, dy, dz equals to 1. The integral that can be evaluated directly, and the answer is 1. Conclusion. Triple integrals can be used to calculate the volume of any three-dimensional regions. The specific steps involved in calculating the volume depend on the coordinate system that is chosen. However, the general formula of a triple integration is always same. Center of gravity. The center of gravity of an object is the point at which the entire mass of the object is evenly distributed. It is the point around which the object will be balanced if it is suspended from any point. The center of gravity of an object is important in many applications such as designing structures that are stable and safe. The center of gravity of an object can be calculated using the following formula. Center of gravity equals to integration of x rho dv by integration of rho dv, where Cg is the coordinates of the center of gravity, x is the x coordinate, rho is the density of the object, dv is the volume element. The the center of gravity of an object can also be determined experimentally by balancing the object on a knife edge. The point at which the object balances is center of gravity. The center of gravity of an object can change if the object's shapes or masses distribution changes. For example, if a person bends over, their center of gravity moves forward. This is why it is important to keep your back straight even lifting heavy objects so that your center of gravity remains over your feet. Center of gravity of an object is also important in determining the stability of the object. An object is stable if its center of gravity is located below the base. If the center of gravity is above the base, the object is unstable and it will topple over its distributed disturbed. The center of gravity is a fundamental concept in physics and engineering. It is used to many applications such as designing structures, machines, and vehicles. The important in understanding the motion of the objects. Triple integration software. Numerous software packages available for performing triple integrations such as MATLAB, Mathematica, and MALPE are the commonly used for mathematical computations. These tools provide a easy to use interfaces and efficient algorithms. Here are some additional facts about the center of gravity. The center of gravity of a uniform object is located its geometric center. The center of gravity of an object can also be outside of the object itself. For example, the center of gravity of a donut is located in the hole. The center of gravity of an object can change if the object's shape or mass distribution changes. The center of gravity of an object is important in determining the stability of the object. The center of gravity is fundamental concept in physics and engineering. And we can see in the figure this is stable equilibrium and these three are the unstable equilibrium. Now we shall see about the differences between the center of masses and center of gravity. Center of mass, a point inside a body at which the whole mass is supposed to be concentrated. A force applied at the point produces translatory motion. Center of gravity, a point inside the body through which the weight of the body acts. Center of mass, it pertains to mass of the body. Center of gravity, it refers to weight acting on all particles of the body. In case of small bodies, center of mass and center of gravity coincide uniform gravitational field. In case of a huge body, center of mass and center of gravity may not coincide non-uniform gravitational field. Algebraic sum of moments of masses about the center of mass is zero. Algebraic sum of moments of weights above the center of gravity is zero. The center of mass is used to study translatory motion of a body when it is in complicated motion. The center of gravity is used to known as the stable of the body where it is supported. And conclusion. Triple integrals are the center of gravity are powerful tools that can be used to solve a wide variety of problems in science and engineering. They are fundamental parts of calculus and they are essential for understanding the behavior three-dimensional object, the center of gravity. It is an important concept in physics and engineering. It is the point at which the entire mass of the object is evenly distributed. It is the point around which the object will balance it if it is suspended from any point. The center of gravity of the object is important in many applications, such as designing structures that are stable and safe. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe.